Welcome to QuickDesk video about the benefits of having an automated sales funnel. The first step is to have a landing page to promote your product or service, where potential customers can put in their information. Let's follow John Doe through QuickDesk Automated Sales Funnel. Leads from landing page are automatically imported into QuickDesk CRM system. As our most recent lead, we see John. Additional information about him can be seen in the columns next to his name. Each lead has a contact card where we can see, change, or add information. From desktop or mobile device, you can call or email your leads. To create automated email sequencing, all leads in QuickDesk are transferred into ActiveCampaign. Under Contacts, we see all our leads. Our most recent lead is John. Under Automation, you can create different email sequences. Let's take a look on the Dsc Preview Reminder. QuickDesk have built this decision tree for all the sign-up leads. For example, 4 days before the class takes place, this email is sent out. In John's inbox, the email comes as a reminder. With an automated sales funnel, you save time and energy in managing and following up on your leads.